Hello everyone. I'm Bianca, your guide to unlocking the secrets of the social media marketing world. I'm here to introduce you to Ignite, the ultimate platform that will help you start your very own social media marketing agency. Ignite is not just any platform, it's a game changer. It's designed to provide you with all the tools, resources, and knowledge you need to kickstart your journey in the social media marketing world. With Ignite, you're not just starting a business, you're creating a brand. A brand that will echo through the digital corridors of the internet, reaching millions of people and making a difference in their lives. Ignite is your ticket to success in the world of social media marketing. It's your secret weapon, your guide, and your mentor all rolled into one. So, are you ready to ignite your future? Remember, with Ignite, you're not just starting a business, you're starting a revolution. A revolution that will transform the way people perceive social media marketing. Let's start this exciting journey together. Welcome to Ignite.